morning, guys. Good morning. See who is crying this morning. Why is she crying? She want cocoa melon. Cocoa melon on mama's food. Phone now mama is it to do with you. Eh? No, don't cry. You have your own phone, baby. Use your phone to do cocoa melon, okay? And happy Sunday. Today we are putting up our Christmas tree. Yay! You put up Christmas tree. Eh? We put the Christmas tree up. Hey, hey, put the Christmas tree up. Hey, hey, put the Christmas tree up. Hey, hey, don't cry. Give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss now. I'll cry you. Me, I don't want to give me kiss. Mia, give mommy a kiss now. And you don't cry again, Chi. Hmm? We'll put up the Christmas tree. Use my clothes to clean your body, your face. We'll put up our Christmas tree. So, guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also like and comment and share, guys. So I have to shout because no, yeah. Mama belly. Mama belly. Mama belly. Yeah, mama belly. Okay, guys. So let's go. I think before we do this, I think I want to do pancake, like breakfast for madam because she just woke up from sleep. I start to cry. I want cocoa melon. Do breakfast. When she's finished eating, then we'll put up the Christmas tree. Hobby's up. Everybody's up. So let's go. I can't wait to decorate this house. Put all the lights and everything. So guys, right now I want to arrange the dining table, put up my Christmas tablecloth. Okay, then I'll clean the rest of the house. All right, it's just like a Sunday and for the Christmas tree, we are done with that. We are supposed to add some light in the kitchen. Toby was like, no, he does not want the same decoration we did last year for us to repeat it for this year. So this year is just hanging on the Christmas tree and putting little lights on the TV stand, and that will be it for our decoration for this year. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this year's decoration. Yeah, and let me keep on cleaning up the house, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, a comment, and Merry Christmas to you all. Let me know in the comment section, have you hung up your Christmas tree yet? Yeah, I know I'm a late comer, right?
Everything that you want this year, I went shopping and planning, ribbons and candles, I got it all right here. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list, it's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it, your favorite gift. You can find me under the tree, I'll be waiting on Christmas Eve. Baby, unwrap me, unwrap me, unwrap me. You know where I'll be, right under the tree, next to the fire. The snowflakes are falling, I know just what you like. Oh, I guess Santa was listening, he got your wish list, he must have checked it twice. Mistletoe and champagne, I'll pour it on Christmas morning. Everything on your list, it's waiting if you go looking for it. I know you'll adore it, your favorite gift. You can find me under the tree, I'll be waiting on Christmas Eve. Baby, unwrap me, unwrap me, unwrap me. You know where I'll be, right under the tree, right under the tree. You know where I'll be, right under the tree, right under the tree. You know where I'll be, right under the tree.
It's cold outside and everyone's happy. This is that magic time of the year. Toys for girls and boys and festive friends who gather near around the fire. They all retire, can't wait for Santa to soon be here. The city streets are blinking and glowing, a type of peace that everyone knows. Hearts so filled with glee, each family will share their
All the fields we go, laughing all the way, till some factory.
So loves, I am done cleaning and arranging my living. This is what we have. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section, and happy holidays to you all. I'll see you all in our next Vlogmas. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I and my family, we really do appreciate. So I'll see you all in our next Vlogmas.